The sun sets behind the towering skyscrapers of the city, casting a golden glow over the bustling streets below. As the hustle and bustle of the day fades into the distant hum of the night, you find yourself sitting at your desk, staring blankly at your computer screen. You've been working hard, but you can't shake the feeling that you're just not getting anywhere. You're not alone. Millions of people all over the world struggle with their finances, feeling trapped and stuck in a cycle of debt and despair. But what if there was a way to unlock your financial motivation and finally achieve the financial freedom you've always dreamed of? In this video, I'll be sharing with you my 6 simple steps to unlocking your financial motivation. I'll tell you everything I know about how to make money, from how to understand the power of your subconscious mind to how to set and reach financial goals. And I promise, you won't believe the last one. So sit back, relax, and join me on this journey to financial freedom. My dear friends, let us delve deeper into the world of financial motivation. As we start this journey, I want you to imagine standing on the edge of a big cliff and looking out over a vast, endless sea of opportunities. The wind is whipping through your hair, and the sun is shining down upon you, illuminating the path that lies ahead. But before we take that first step, it's important to understand the first step in unlocking your financial motivation: setting clear and specific goals. This might seem simple, but it's a crucial step in any journey towards financial freedom. I remember a young couple who came to me for financial advice. They were in their early 30s and had just started their family. They wanted to be able to afford a comfortable lifestyle for their children and also have the means to send them to college without taking on student loan debt. So, we sat down and set specific financial goals for them, such as saving a certain amount for their children's college funds, increasing their income, and paying off their mortgage early. By making clear, specific goals, they were able to focus their efforts and move closer to the financial freedom they wanted. But setting goals is just the beginning. The next step is to take action and make a plan to achieve those goals. This includes creating a budget, finding ways to increase income, and researching investment options. It's important to remember that a goal without a plan is just a dream. As you take steps to reach your goals, it's important to be surrounded by people who will help you. This could be friends and family who understand and support your financial goals, or it could be a group of like-minded individuals who are also working towards financial freedom. Having a support system in place can help you stay motivated and keep you on track as you work to reach your goals. And lastly, it's important to keep a positive attitude and maintain a growth mindset. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals, and don't be discouraged by setbacks or obstacles. Remember, every great journey is filled with challenges and obstacles, but it's how you handle. As the sun started to go down on my path to financial freedom, I had an epiphany as I stood in front of the grand front of my newest rental property. All the budgeting, saving, and investing in the world would mean nothing if I didn't have the motivation to see it through. And that's when it hit me, the missing piece of the puzzle, the secret ingredient to unlocking true financial motivation. It was something so simple, yet so profound. I had to find out why. Why did I want to achieve financial freedom? Was it to provide for my family, to travel the world, or to leave a legacy? Whatever it was, it had to be something that resonated deeply with me, something that would keep me motivated through the ups and downs of investing. I remembered a dear friend of mine, a blue-collar worker who had always dreamed of being able to retire early and travel the world with his wife. He had a clear why, a burning desire, that kept him motivated to save and invest every penny he could. And it was that clear reason that led him to achieve his dream of early retirement. So, my dear friends, step 3 in unlocking your financial motivation is to find your why. It may take some self-reflection, but it's worth it. Once you have your why, everything else will fall into place. Use it as a compass to guide your financial decisions and keep you motivated through the journey. Trust me, when you find your why, achieving financial freedom will be within reach. But hold on, we're not done yet. There's still one more step, one that will shock and surprise you. Stay tuned for the final step in unlocking your financial motivation. You won't believe it. As we come to the end of our journey, let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. We've talked about how important it is to have clear financial goals, make a budget, hold yourself accountable, know your values, and take action. But, as promised, we saved the best for last. The last step to getting motivated about money is to find joy in the process. One of my fondest memories was when I purchased my first rental property. I remember the excitement I felt as I signed the papers, imagining the passive income it would bring in. And as I watched the rent checks roll in month after month, I was reminded of the joy that comes from achieving financial freedom. It's a feeling that has stayed with me throughout my real estate investment journey. So, my friends, don't just focus on the end goal, find joy in the process. Whether it's the thrill of closing a deal on a property or the satisfaction of seeing your savings account grow, let yourself enjoy the journey. Thank you for joining me on this journey to unlock your financial motivation. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let's continue to strive for financial freedom together.